everyone, myself Dr. Pradma. I am your dentist and in today's video we are going to talk about teeth cleaning. In my routine dental practice, I have observed that many people have unnecessary fear regarding teeth cleaning. And there are so many myths and doubts about teeth cleaning. So we are going to discuss some common myths, doubts about teeth cleaning procedure. So we need to understand what is teeth cleaning. Teeth cleaning is the procedure of removing of calculus and plaque that is accumulated on the tooth surface. So what is plaque? Plaque is the bacterial film that forms on the teeth surface and which eventually lead to calculus, and calculus and plaque leads to gum diseases, and later it will lead to bone loss and teeth loss. So basically plaque and calculus accumulated on the teeth surface is very harmful for our oral health. It leads to gums disease, bleeding gums, halitosis, that is bad smell, and also periodontitis and teeth loss and bone loss. So it is very important to remove the plaque and calculus accumulated on the teeth surface from time to time. And teeth cleaning procedure helps to remove this plaque and calculus and helps to maintain your oral health. Like bleaching, teeth cleaning doesn't change the shade of your teeth. It just removes the plaque and calculus that is accumulated on the tooth surface. So we will discuss common myths and doubts about teeth cleaning procedure. So first of all, many people have doubt or misunderstanding that teeth cleaning causes gaps in between teeth, but it is not true. The gap is already present in between your teeth. It just masked by the calculus that is accumulated in between your teeth. And if you didn't remove this plaque and calculus accumulated in between your teeth, then it will lead to complications such as teeth loss and bone loss. So many people think that teeth cleaning leads to weakening of teeth or loosening of teeth. बहुत लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि टीथ क्लीनिंग की वजह से दांतों में गैप क्रिएट हो जाता है या टीथ वीक हो जाते हैं, दांत लूज हो जाते हैं, बट इट्स नॉट ट्रू. स्केलिंग हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद द लूजनिंग ऑफ टीथ और वीकनिंग ऑफ टीथ. लोगों को ऐसे लगता है बिकॉज योर टीथ हैव ऑलरेडी वीकन ड्यू टू accumulation of calculus and plaque. Scaling has nothing to do with it. And also people feel that teeth becomes more sensitive after teeth cleaning, but it's not true. During the teeth cleaning procedure, calculus and plaque is removed that is accumulated on the tooth surface. So tooth surface get exposed to oral environment and patient may feel sensitivity for few days, but it will not lead to long lasting teeth sensitivity. So just remove the fear of teeth cleaning from your mind, and if you still have any queries or doubts regarding teeth cleaning, then you can discuss it with your dentist. Teeth cleaning, then now when to do the teeth cleaning and how many visits required for teeth cleaning. Teeth cleaning may require more than one visit, and it depends upon individual and depends upon oral health condition and quantity of plaque and calculus accumulated on the teeth surface. Also, once in 6 months dental checkup is very important so the dentist can know about your oral health condition and suggest you when you should do the teeth cleaning procedure or what treatments are required for your teeth. Now, what to expect after teeth cleaning procedure? After teeth cleaning procedure, you may feel little bit sensitivity or bleeding gums for few days, but don't worry, eventually it will go away within very less time, and your dentist will prescribe you some mouthwash and medications for the bleeding gums and for sensitivity. So don't get nervous and just relax and don't worry about teeth cleaning procedure, and schedule your appointment of teeth cleaning procedure with your dentist and get a fresher and brighter smile that you will surely enjoy after teeth cleaning. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. For more dental information, subscribe my channel, and if you have something to ask or any doubts or queries, ask in the comment section. Thank you.